The United Arab Emirates flag is a powerful symbol. It represents unity, pride, and the nation's rich history. Every year, on November 3rd, the UAE celebrates Flag Day. It is a day to reflect on the flag's meaning and to celebrate the achievements of the nation. The UAE flag is a familiar sight across the country and around the world. It flies proudly from government buildings, schools and businesses. The flag is more than just a piece of cloth. It is a symbol of national identity and unity. The flag is a potent reminder of the UAE's journey. It represents the unification of 7 emirates under a common banner. Flag Day is a special occasion in the UAE. It is a day for citizens and residents to come together and express their patriotism. The year was 1971. The United Arab Emirates was on the verge of becoming a nation. A sense of excitement and anticipation filled the air. One crucial element was missing: a national flag. A competition was announced, inviting the people to contribute to this historic moment. Submissions poured in from all corners of the Emirates. Each design reflected the aspirations and dreams of a newly formed nation. The selection committee faced a difficult task. Among the many entries, a design by a young Emirati, Abdul Rahman bin Mohammed Al Owais, stood out. His design, a simple yet profound representation of the Emirates, captured the essence of the nation. The committee unanimously agreed that his design encapsulated the vision and aspirations of the UAE. On December 2nd, 1971, the chosen design was revealed. The flag, with its distinctive colours and design, instantly resonated with the nation. The selection of the flag marked the completion of the UAE's national identity. The UAE flag is a simple design, yet it is rich in symbolism. Each colour holds a specific meaning, reflecting the values and aspirations of the nation. The 4 colours, white, green, black and red, are deeply symbolic in Arab culture. White represents purity, peace and innocence. Green stands for prosperity, growth and optimism. Black symbolises the unity of the Emirates. Red symbolises courage, strength and the sacrifice of the nation's forefathers. These colours evoke a sense of pride and patriotism. The flag's design reflects a shared heritage and identity. Since 2013, the UAE has dedicated November 3rd as UAE Flag Day. This day is a tribute to the flag's significance and all that it embodies. UAE Flag Day is a vibrant spectacle across the nation. Government buildings, landmarks and even homes are adorned with the national flag. The sight of the flag fluttering in the wind evokes a sense of national pride and unity. Public figures and community leaders deliver speeches about the flag's history and its significance. Schools organise special assemblies and programmes where students learn about the flag's history and significance. UAE Flag Day is more than just a day of celebration, it's a day of reflection. It's a day to reaffirm their commitment to the values that the flag represents. The UAE has specific laws and regulations regarding the display and treatment of the national flag. These rules ensure that the flag is treated with the utmost respect. The UAE Flag Code outlines the proper way to hoist, lower and display the flag. The flag should always be flown at the top of the flagpole and it should never touch the ground. When displayed alongside other flags, the UAE flag takes a position of honour. It should be raised first and lowered last. The flag should be in good condition at all times. Faded, torn or damaged flags should not be displayed. The UAE government takes these regulations very seriously. The UAE flag is much more than just a national symbol. It is a powerful emblem of the nation's identity, its heritage and its aspirations. The flag has become a source of immense pride for the Emirati people, uniting them under its banner. From its inception in 1971, the flag has witnessed the UAE's remarkable transformation into a global hub. The flag's presence is a testament to the nation's growth and its growing influence on the world stage. The 4 colours of the flag represent the values that the UAE stands for: peace, tolerance, prosperity and unity. These values are deeply ingrained in the UAE's constitution and its national policies. The UAE flag serves as a constant reminder of the nation's past, its present and its aspirations for the future. The flag will continue to inspire generations to come, reminding them of the importance of unity, perseverance, and striving for excellence.